Alright, here's another video on how to place components and assemble them together. We'll just go ahead and get started. I'll put a couple different blocks in. I want to show you how to flip things to get things flipped around. So let's say, for example, we're going to do the blue block, put that one in, and then we'll put in my brown block. And then the next thing is we're going to go ahead and ground this one so it doesn't move. It's always the first one that you bring in. You always want to ground it. I showed you that in the first video. And let's go ahead and view and go to object visibility, and we'll turn off the origin planes so that way we don't have those kind of get in the way. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to constraints, and let's say we need to flip this around. Okay, so let's say this surface and this surface has to be mated. So we go to the mate and do the mate. Remember, mate is where two surfaces are touching. And so what we'll do is we'll choose that one and this one, and you see how it flips it around. Go to apply, and let's say this surface over here, that one needs to be flush with this one. So we do flush command, flush that with this, and it flips around that way. Okay, and let's say I'm going to go to apply, or to see what more you need. You can see it looks like this surface and this surface on the other side need to be mated. So we'll go to constraint. We'll actually do the mate because they touch. And we'll just go over here and mate that. Okay. Now let's say again you screwed up. You can delete these constraints. You just put your cursor over it. It'll show you which constraints, which surfaces are constrained. All you have to do is put it over it. So let's just say we're going to delete. Let's actually just delete these. Okay. So if you screwed up on one, all you have to do is delete it. Now you notice it freely moves now. Let's say we actually need this surface and this surface to be mated. So we go to constraints. We choose, make sure we're on mate. Choose the top and that. And go to apply. Now let's say we need this right here, this surface over here, that surface right there to be mated to this one. Okay, so because they're going to touch, so we know it's a mate. So go to the constraints, choose that and that. See how it flips it around. Go to apply. Now you'll notice this thing can move this way, so we can do one of two things. We could flush this with that, or we could mate this surface with the other surface there. So let's just go, we'll do flush this and this. Go to apply. It's constrained. Okay, so you kind of, if you get to a point where something's just not working right, but you got to get it to the point where you can't move this object, any of these. Okay, otherwise it's not fully constrained. So it usually takes, for this kind of object that we're doing with these blocks, it's usually mates and flushes is all you're going to do. Later on we'll learn the other types of constraints up here, but for right now, most everything that we're going to do, that's either going to be mated or it's going to be flush. So you just got to know the definition of that, mate and flush. And you got to get it to a point, and usually it takes 3 of them to fully constrain it, so you no longer can move it. See, if I get rid of this flush constraint, delete that, see, I can move that. Okay, so you want to get it to the point where you can't move any of your objects, that everything has enough constraints that not move. So if I cancel out of here, try to move that, can't move it anymore. Okay.